YouTube, it's us again. I ordered this thing, which is completely ungarage related. This is gamer related. Comes with a little, made by high speed. I do. Any issues? We have half a day different times. So with you, so reply maybe half day. We endeavor to get order right and get you as quick as possible. Blah blah blah. Send message via whatever. So this comes with a miniature screwdriver. See, it comes with a tiny screwdriver. Comes with a even smaller Phillips screwdriver. Are you wondering what this is yet? This is pretty cool. This item, if I can get it open, this item comes in an anti-static bag. It comes with a circuit board. Here's the circuit board. Okay. Nice little circuit board. And this part in the other anti-static bag here. I'll show you. If I can get the damn thing open, because I can't even do it. This, right here, comes with wires too. I probably shouldn't take it out, but I'll show you anyway. Comes with an LCD screen with the little card thingy in the back. And I'm assuming some wires that I have to do some soldering with. So if you're wondering what this is, you know what this is, Claire?
No.
This is a brand new color screen for my vintage Game Boy. We're going to change the screen in the Game Boy. And we're going to put a brand new screen in it. Because our other one has a little line going down it, and when you play Tetris, you can't tell how many lines it's got. And see, it's got a, this one has the new wheel on it that you turn, and it changes the colors. See, on here, instead of the original contrast button, this one changes colors. It also comes with, I don't know where it is on here. I think it might be on the other board. It comes with a cable adapter, which goes in where, I have no idea. Where the hell does it go in? There's an adapter for a TV output too, which is pretty damn cool. So hopefully this shit works. And that is the thing I ordered on eBay. It was like 20 something bucks. I ordered the one of the most colors. And there's a little piece of plastic adapter that goes inside there too. Must we break the goddamn thing before you get it? Yeah, there's a little. It comes with this little plastic screen holder, a little insert, which I better not break. And it's cool. It comes in this little plastic box.
Dilla?
What?
There's some like couple days ago I was playing Soccer Town, and I put the little furniture. I put the furniture on the wrong spot, and someone was laying down because I put it on them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't you hear that, people? When you put furniture on the wrong side of Togatown, it's terrible. It's madness.
Because your person lays down.
Yeah, it's madness. What is it called? Togatown?
Yeah, Togatown.
Togatown. That's what she's playing, Togatown. On another note, if you got a vintage Game Boy, buy a new screen for it. I think it's like 60 million colors, under 30 bucks. There's people selling the same shit for like 100 bucks, and on and on and on. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that kind of shit. Enjoy.